In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can download and install Windows 11 from a USB flash drive for free. Before we get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But to do this, you are going to need another computer that already does have Windows installed. This should not be your PC that you're installing Windows 11 on. In this case, I'm using my laptop, but you could really use any other device. But essentially, open up a browser and just type in download Windows 11 and hit enter, and you're going to see the first option right here from Microsoft. Go ahead and choose that. However, once you do get on this page, do not click the installation assistant. This is only for upgrading an existing Windows 10 or Windows 11 system. Instead, scroll down and you're going to see an option for Create Windows 11 Installation Media. This option is specifically for doing a clean install or reinstall on a new PC or used PC. Before you do hit continue, make sure that you do have a USB flash drive with at least 8 gigabytes of storage and a stable internet connection. But go ahead and hit download now. And once the tool does download, open it and follow the on-screen steps. Choose your USB flash drive when prompted, and the tool is going to automatically download Windows 11 and turn that USB into a bootable installer. Whenever that's finished, plug that USB into that new PC that you want to install Windows 11 on, power it on, and boot it up from the USB. From here, just follow the steps that it's going to give you to actually install Windows 11. But that is it. That is how you can have Windows 11 installed using a USB flash drive. If this guide does help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point through this guide you do have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.